How to disable Google Play Protect on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it off if you need to install an app from outside the Play Store. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. After that, tap Play Protect from the menu that appears. Following this, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the Play Protect page. At this point, you'll see a toggle labeled Scan Apps with Play Protect. Once done, tap the toggle to turn it off. A warning may pop up, letting you know this reduces your device's protection against harmful apps. From here, tap Turn Off to confirm. Keep in mind, disabling Play Protect leaves your device more exposed to malicious apps, so it's best to turn it back on once you're done installing whatever you needed. That's how you disable Google Play Protect on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next one.